How to use Monday.com CRM for beginners tutorial. So first of all, you need to sign up for Monday.com. Simply search for it in any browser that you are using and click on the get started. Then you're gonna select your kind of category if you want to use Monday.com for your work, for personal use, or for school assignments or anything like that. So let's click on the continue and select any one of these options that you actually want to do. So let's go with the product management as an example, and at the end select what you like to focus on first. So let's go with task management as most people will going for it, and click on the continue. At last select any one of these reasons and click on the continue, and you have successfully created your monday.com account. Now the first step is you need to familiarize yourself with the structure of monday.com. So the first step is you need to familiarize yourself with the structure of monday.com. This includes understanding what workspaces, folders, boards, groups, item, documents, and dashboard are, and how they can be used to organize and manage your CRM data. Next thing is import your leads. Importing your leads into your lead boards. This is where you will keep track of potential customers or clients. You can also import leads from various sources such as spreadsheet or other CRM systems. So to do this, you just need to click on any one of these tasks and rename it. Let's say the name of that particular person, and then you just need to enter whatever the person is working for. So let's say as an example software, and then click on the update button. Now as you can see, it has added my particular response or kind of like a reply, so that the particular person know what task they are going to assign for, and if they're gonna click on it, this is how the message will going to look like. I can also like and reply at the same time. Next thing is adding your contacts to your CRM. This could be individuals or companies that you are doing business with. You can add contacts manually, import them from other sources, or use forms to collect contact information. Again, as I said, you can simply rename it and then enter their particular name, as well as you can simply click on this particular icon of owner, and then you can assign this particular task to a specific company or owner. Then you can keep track of your deals. A deal represents a potential sale or agreement. You can create and manage deal and associate them with accounts, leads, and activities. You can also enhance the visuals of your particular table by clicking on the status, and whenever a person has done their work, they can click on the done, and there you have it. If they are stuck or working on, they can simply click on it, and this is how the status bar will gonna look like. You can again click on the add column, and there are many options that you can add according to the project that you are working on, or click on the more columns. You can add or search for some specific column that you want to go with. So let's go with the number and click on the add to board. Now as you can see, we have added our number. Now let's go with the 3 as an example. There you have it. Now you can also adjust the due date according to the project kind of like deadline or anything like that. At the end, you can use automation and integration, which is on your top right corner of your screen. You can click on it, and as you can see, we have many automation tools like Jira, which is the most popular software for the development kind of like workflow to ensure every aspect is transparent. You can also click on the add to board to add it into your particular project. You can also add more than 69 integration including Google Calendar, Slack, Gmail, and Outlook, which is kind of like basic essentials for every company and your project. So at the end, CRM system can be kind of like complex, so you need to make sure to take your time and learn how to use them effectively. So hope this helped. This is the basic overview of how you can use monday.com CRM.